Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Annalie Evangelio. I am 40 years old, high school graduate. I am Christian Roman Catholic. I have 9 sisters and 3 brothers. I am fourth of them. I have 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys. The age is 17, 15, 13, and 8. I am ex-abroad from Oman and UAE. Both is I do taking care of baby, iron clothes, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and cooking. The age of baby is 8, 7, 3, and 4 months. Mom, sir, I will promise you I will do my duties and responsibility as your housemate. I will take care of your children as my own. I am honest and trustworthy. I hope you treat me as your family and I will treat you also as my family. I hope you choose me, mom, sir. Thank you so much.